Under the federal tax code, taxpayers are allowed to deduct losses incurred during the year. We explore what happened when a taxpayer attempted to use this deduction to avoid paying taxes, in the case of Fender versus United States. Harris Fender established two trusts. In 1969, the trusts had substantial capital gains. At the end of 1969, Fender sold certain bonds owned by the trusts to the Longview National Bank and Trust Company for $225,000 to offset these gains. Because the trusts had purchased the bonds for about $435,000, each trust had a loss of over $100,000. At the time of the sale, Fender owned just over 40% of Longview's stock. 42 days later, in early 1970, Longview resold the bonds to the trusts for over $224,000. By this time, Fender had accumulated just over 50% of Longview's stock. On the trust's 1969 tax returns, Fender took a deduction for the purported loss incurred from the sale of the bonds. The IRS denied the deduction, asserting that the sale wasn't a bona fide sale. Fender paid the deficiency and brought suit against the IRS to obtain a refund. The district court ruled in Fender's favor. The IRS appealed to the Fifth Circuit.